In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to get a Chime credit card. It's a very quick and easy process, so make sure to follow along. In order to see if you are eligible to apply for a Chime credit card, you have to use the latest version of their mobile app. So if you don't have the app up to date, download the app, sign in, and once you are inside of your account where you are going to be applying to get a Chime credit card, on the home screen, access the settings. So tap the icon that you can find on the home screen at the top left corner of the screen as I've highlighted here. Immediately upon heading into the settings at the home screen, you should be able to find the Credit Builder card at the top of the screen. If you do not see Credit Builder card when you go into the settings, that means that you are not eligible to get a Chime credit card. So keep that in mind. You can only apply for this Chime credit card if you see this option in the settings. If you don't see it and would still like to apply, you can try contacting their customer support to see if you are granted eligibility. But for the most part, all that you have to do is tap this option and you will get the process and the instructions on screen on how to transfer money from a checking or savings account into a credit builder account. By transferring any amount of money, you will be granted a Chime credit card that you can start using alongside the balance that you have on this credit builder card account. It is going to appear on the home screen and you can access the transactions and settings at any time. You can access the settings to activate your new card and view the card details as necessary. Just make sure that it is properly activated, that you have it loaded up with balance, and as long as your credit builder card account is active or working that you can find on the home screen, you will be able to get and use a Chime credit card. You can try doing this process on the latest version of the mobile app as long as you have the credit builder option when you go into the settings. I hope I was able to help you on how to get a Chime credit card. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more quick and easy tips. Thank you for watching.